In this video, we'll discuss the setup and installation steps required to use Rezku's touchscreen kitchen display system. We'll cover how to set up the Rezku KDS hardware, how to install the KDS app, and some Android settings on the KDS you'll want to double check. If you're looking for instructions on how to configure the Rezku KDS app with another device, please watch our other video linked in the description. Let's take a look at the KDS hardware. There are two options for mounting. For countertop use, insert the stand foot into the back of the screen per the included instructions. Alternatively, if you have purchased a VESA compatible mount, you will omit the stand foot and use the mounting holes indicated here. Ports and plugs. On the back of the KDS, you will find a row of ports. HDMI out. You can use this port to connect an LCD monitor to duplicate what is on the KDS. However, note that an external monitor would be for viewing purposes only. Ethernet port. A wired network connection is recommended and will be covered in the connectivity section of this video. USB ports. These can be used to attach peripherals such as a keyboard or mouse. Power adapter. Plug only the supplied power cable into this port to power the unit. Plug the power cable in and the screen will boot up automatically. Note, the KDS screen does not have a battery backup and must remain plugged in to power at all times to work. Before using the KDS, we need to check some settings and connect the screen to your network. Tap the settings icon on the desktop. Tap Display. Tap Advanced. Make sure the screen timeout is set to Never, and that screensaver is set to Off. Note that the default font size for the screen can also be adjusted here if desired. Tap the back button to return to the main settings. To connect your KDS screen to your POS network, we highly recommend using Ethernet. Use the Ethernet port on the back of the screen and connect a cable to your POS network. In Settings, tap on Network and Internet. If Ethernet is connected properly, you will see the IP address of your POS network here. Alternatively, to connect to Wi-Fi, tap Wi-Fi. Choose your POS network, enter the password. It should say Connected. To exit settings, tap the circle Home button on the toolbar. The screen uses Android, so before you can download the KDS app from the Google Play Store, you need to create a Gmail account for the restaurant. Do not use your personal Gmail account. Here's a tip. You may find it easier to do this if you use a private or incognito browser session to ensure that you're not signed into your current account. Go to gmail.com, click the Create Account link, and follow the instructions. Once you've created a Gmail account for the restaurant, you're ready to install the KDS app. Tap the Apps icon on the desktop to view your apps. Tap the Play Store icon. Tap the Sign In button and enter your restaurant Gmail account and password. Follow the additional on-screen prompts to complete sign in. Tap Search and search for Rezku, R-E-Z-K-U. Find the Rezku KDS app in the search results. Tap to install. Once the KDS app has been installed, the icon will appear in Apps. To place the KDS app on the desktop, follow these steps. Find the Rezku KDS app, Long press and hold for about 3 seconds until you see App Info pop up. Drag your finger and place the icon on the desktop. In this video, we covered the Rezku KDS screen hardware, how to download and install the Rezku KDS app, how to connect your screen to your network, and a few Android settings you need to check. Be sure to watch the video for setting up the KDS app linked in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.